Assalamualaikum. My name is Syed Akhil Abbas Naqvi and my group partner is Muhammad Tosif Anjum. Our project is sentiment analysis based on news. So, what is the real world problem that we are targeting? Actually, in this fast moving era, nobody has enough time to read and manually analyze the news. And the source of these news are different news channels. And if the news is not an important one, these news channels spread different news with different perspectives and different motives, as it can be seen in the real time situation of political crisis or economic crisis or anything else. And these news sometimes in the society that affects the society in many different ways. So we have decided to build a system efficient enough to provide sentiment analysis on the news provided or published by news channels on their website. So, what is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is a natural language processing technique, which means we train our computer or a machine to understand the text data provided to it. The aim was to design a system that can provide sentiment analysis on the real time news data. This system will help to keep a check on media. The overall results will be provided in graphical pie chart form. So, what are the features and functionalities? Uh, the first feature is that the system does or do news scraping and then do the real-time analysis on that scrap data and present the results in pie chart form. And user can also read the news that the user scrapped to check whether to check whether what the news is that the user analyzed. And the functionalities of our system are news channel selection. User will have to select a news channel to do analysis. This will cause the API to trigger. API will scrap the news data and then will normalize the data and then will perform sentiment analysis and store that data and results analysis results in the database and then will represent the results. The platform that we used for web is Laravel, UVCon for API, Fast API, and MySQL XAMPP server for database. The languages used are Python for Fast API and random forest classifier building, PHP for Laravel functionalities and data management, HTML, CSS, Bootstraps, and JavaScript for web development. This system will provide news analysis on English as well as Urdu news. For English news, we have used random forest classifier model and another model, Veda sentiment, that is actually a Python built-in function. Uh, and for Urdu news, we have used XML Roberta model. Thank you. So this is the landing page of our website News Analyzer, and from here the user can subscribe for daily newsletter, which will provide the user statistics in their mail. And from here we can log in. The user can log in. As I've created the account before for testing purposes, here you can see that these are the pie chart results of the news analysis, and they are all almost filled, I guess. And yes, and so Dawn latest English is empty, so user can come here and just do analysis on it. And after the scrapping or news analysis is done, the user will be redirected towards dashboard and as you can see the results. And actually, the analysis will take time depending upon your internet speed, the news channel response time, and your API response time. So it may take uh, uh, 3 to 5 minutes in most cases, and if your internet connection is slow, uh, there might an error occur, and you may be redirected without any results. So these are the results that we just have, and you can read results from here or can read Urdu results if he scratch Urdu news from here. The user can do. Thank you. And at the end, after viewing results and wrapping or just whatever the user wants to do, user can simply log out from their account and they will land on the landing page. Thank you so much for your time.